I used to have my show on KBC back in 2016, Comedy Arena. It's a show that I started back in campus. I went to the University of Nairobi as a law student. I did law for 1 week, then nikafanya interfaculty transfer. My life is too real, mpaka watu wanadhaningi ni fake because they feel like I'm not supposed to be in that position where I am. I fake that I live in my bed, in my bima, but I don't. Nalala kwa street. Gari zangu zote zitakuwa na plates hizo zenye anaita fake. Na mtaitana hii town. Hiyo ni kitu nawaambia. You can imagine kuna mse light skin mahali ni cute na amesota. How painful is that? You know, there's a time I was fasting and praying for my YouTube channel to grow. My YouTube channel success is a result of prayers. I used to fast and pray for my YouTube channel. The moment nilijua mimi nani, I knew I'll be great in this country. The world is yet to see my greatness.
Smart strategy, creative delivery.
Beautiful people, good morning, good evening, good afternoon from wherever you're watching this video from, and the time that you're watching this video. I welcome you all to Midea Digital Media. I am your host, Verogitiha. So today we are with the amazing, I'd say he's a comedian, a content creator, and also an MC, if I'm not wrong. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Tumbili. Habari yako Tumbili?
Fresh, ukwaje?
Niko salama.
I'm good.
Uko poa kabisa.
Niko best in the world.
Umetukalisha hapa for a while.
Mtu shughuli, si mnasema mimi ni mtu fake. Watu fake ndio fake life, lazima uwe busy. Fanya you busy. Watu wanajifanya wako busy ni rich kids. They are being spoon fed.
So watu wana fake.
Mimi niko busy, I have kids who look up to me, wana depend on me. So siwezi anza kujifanya ati niko busy. I have to be busy.
Okay.
To make sure they survive, they live.
Lakini tuna appreciate ume have time for us. Umekuja so that we can talk 1 2 3 a little bit. But then me kwanza sitaongelelea what is trending about whatever is trending. I'm going to talk about you basically. So tell us why choose the name Tumbili, because most of us we don't know your real name.
Yeah, because I'm a fake person. Tumbili is a nickname that I use. It means 22.
Okay.
So I wanted to be somewhere by the age of 22, which happened. So that's why Tumbili, I call myself Tumbili, which is 22.
Where did you want to be at that age?
Somewhere
Exactly.
in the comedy industry.
And you made it there.
Yeah. Actually, I surpassed it. Yeah.
And you are also an MC. I saw you MCing at Chipukizi show. The time ilikuwa inaanza. So maybe tell us about that journey of MCing.
No, it's something that I've done for 13 years. So it's been in me. Yeah. So I've been surviving, coming up in the industry. I was hosting events in nightclubs, weddings, so many, any kind of events, fundraisings. Yeah.
And how did content creation come to be?
Yeah. As long as I was doing stand-up comedy, also is content creation. So I can say I started doing it kitambo. Yeah, but for the YouTube stuff, nilianza kufanya tu just for fun. I still do it as for fun. Yeah. Ni kama ka hobby. Me just love creating. You're doing stuff, letting people know how I like who is Tumbili. You know? Yeah. Like unaleta wase maisha yako kwa screen zao, wapende wasipende. Yeah.
And why choose that? Why choose kupeana tu maisha yako kwa everybody, watu hawakujui, people judge you, people talk bad things about you, people talk good things too about you. Mbona ulichagua kupeleka tu maisha yako kwa public hivyo? Because that is a decision you need to make.
Because that's what people want to see. People really want to know your life, but ni wewe mwenyewe uja decide bado. Ama maybe hauna kitu ya kushow. You know, there are people wanatamani sana siku moja wakuja wapost wamekalia gari zao but hawana gari.
Yeah.
Kuna mtu anatamani siku moja tupe house tour na ana nyumba. So wewe mwenye umebarikiwa, you show them to some level, to motivate them, to show them that they also can, that one time they're gonna do a house tour which people will love. Yes.
But you know what you are talking about, ni kama motivation to others.
Yeah,
but
some zingine pia ni kusukuma pressure.
But wengine wanaona ni kama show off.
No, it's not show off. Wakitaka show off pia tunaweza wapea. That's when faking in comes in.
Yeah.
Because faking, you know, people, my life is too real mpaka watu wanadhani ni fake because they feel like I'm not supposed to be in that position where I am. Yeah. Because people just think that if you are born to suffer, you're supposed to die suffering. Which is no, not to me.
Yeah.
Maybe to them, but maybe people wanatakaga, like, you know, me in the comedy industry, every day I was making a move, a positive move.
Yeah.
And they were like, how did he make that move? Like, comedians wenzangu wanaamuka wanaona nimepost niko Rwanda, and actually I'm in Rwanda. Wakiamuka niko South Africa, and definitely actually niko for real niko South Africa. The other time wakaamuka wananipata I'm doing a tour in the US, and they're like, how sisi ndo tunafanya hizo vitu, wewe umefikaje hapo? You see, so it's all about pushing yourself, and that's why you see ni kujiaminia tu. All in all ni kujiaminia.
So wewe umejiaminia sana. Extra kujiaminia, and that is why you made those moves.
Which moves?
The moves of comedy, MC, content creation, and now you are here. Maybe you can, in life, for someone to succeed, many people have to go through someone. Many people. Maybe wewe unaweza kuwa na someone mwenye amekuwa maybe a bridge of your success.
No. I can say the person who I used as a bridge to be where I am, naweza sema ni God. Now maybe for a physical human being ni mimi, because when we were starting in this industry, we were being denied chances. Like unaona chance ndo hii chance ni yako, but you are being denied. Unaonyeshwa but upewi. Unaona? So lazima ujitumie wewe mwenyewe kufika kwenye unataka. You are the one who has your goals. When una set goals zako, huwezi expect mtu mwingine from nowhere akusaidie kuachieve goals zako.
Yeah.
Because for example, there are people who come to our DMs wanataka tuwasaidie kusukuma muziki. First of all, when you are starting music, I was never in the picture.
Yeah.
You already set your goals that you as a musician you want to be somewhere. Unaona? So there's no need of kwanza kusema sijui au tu support higi au usifanyaje nini bro. When you are ukiingia hii industry ya comedy ama ya muziki, do good music. So we will come in. Unaona? Mafans watakamini watakusupport. So mimi nilijitumia mimi mwenyewe. I used to ask for chances za perform stand up na nyimwa. So I had to create my own platform.
And you did.
Which grew so many comedians. I look at them and I get inspired. Niko happy, I get motivated that at least hata nikitoka out of this world, I'm very sure there are people who will come and stand somewhere and say, Tumbili alinisaidia hapa na pale.
Okay. Unasema you created a platform. You because you were denied a chance to maybe go and do stand-up comedy. Maybe can you in future, there was a time I saw you MCing at Chipukizi show. Do you maybe in future want to have your own platform show kama hiyo yake ama even a better one to do that in order to help people? Juwe uliji create a bridge, help people wakwe na wewe kama bridge yao. Maybe in future do you have such plans?
No, hizo ni vitu nilishafanya. I think mimi hapa Kenya ndo nimefanya the most different shows because I was trying out different stuff to just try and grow. You see, what Chipukizi is doing right now, I appreciate he is doing it. And it's the reason why he had to look for me and niende ni host show yake, because he has seen me do the same stuff for me. Back in 2012 I was doing my show at the University of Nairobi called the campus comedy show. I later did the most wanted comedy night. I did 22 laughs. I do 2mbili Unchained. I did the laugh night. Like I've done over so many shows. And lately pia nimefanya Who's Laughing Now. No, I've done so many shows. I used to for the most wanted comedy show and the campus comedy show. I used to host comedians from different universities. So it was a platform also. I know his show is on KBC. I used to have my show on KBC back in 2016.
Wow.
Comedy Arena. It's a show that I started back in campus. Nika invite director, producer wa Vioja Makamani. Alikuwa anaitwa Jackie Ludubu. She sent her cameraman there. Wakamu watch what is this boy doing here at the University of Nairobi. And that turned out to be one of the biggest show that grew so many comedians like akina Nasra, akina Tom Daktari, akina Sami Kioko, so many akina Wi-Fi,
so
Felix
wote wamepitia kwako.
Yeah, they started from that platform.
Wow.
So many people don't know how that show started. Wao walikuja tu wakajipata hapo.
Wow.
Yeah.
And do you think you're given enough credit? Because most of them wametoka hapo maybe wakapitia Churchill, and most of the people wanapeanga Churchill, we thank you.
You see, the issue here in Kenya is even watu wameandikiwa ngoma watakai kupeana credits, because sometimes you will feel like you are small.
Yeah.
Unaona? For example, even the let me say maybe even the comedians who pass through my platform, they are bigger than me to some level. So wanaona sasa tutapeaje Tumbili credit na Tumbili yako chini yetu. Unaona? But there are those ones some who appreciate. Unaona?
Yeah.
Like unaona the other time J Melody said that yeye ndiye alikuwa anaandikia Willy Paul ngoma. Na Willy Paul alijamu. Hakuna kitu ya kujamu. US wasee wanakaa kwa credits that nani ndiye aliandika hii ngoma. Mimi ni sauti tu nimeweka. Unaona? It's like right now mwanamteule tunajua hali yake si mbaya. Ukiangalia ukisikiza ngoma za Eric Omondi mingi, Eric doesn't sing.
Yeah.
Hii kwa hii sauti ya Eriko. Na kwa kazi zingine ni sauti za mwanamteule, zingine za watu wengi. Okay. So maybe Eric can come and give credit. Na hakuna kitu ita happen. You will never lose your brand ukisema nani ndo alinisaidia.
Okay, so you're talking about UN. Maybe ulisomea nini UN? Microbiology.
Yeah. I went to the University of Nairobi as a law student. I did law for 1 week. Then nikafanya interfaculty transfer.
1 week. Unafanya law for 1 week. Ukaona
nilipil tu hii course I give like nitakuwa natetea watu mtu unatetea mtu ameua mtu, sijui unatetea, you just know this guy is a criminal but again like mtetea akayako innocent. So nikaona tu I give, so I had to do interfaculty transfer.
Na in future uliona ungefika hapa kwa content creation, uliona
No,
that?
I never saw myself doing content creation, but I saw myself being great in this world. From the word go, from the moment nilianza kujijua mimi ni nani.
Yeah.
Nikiwa mtoi, the moment nilijijua mimi ni nani, I knew I'll be great in this country. And the world is yet to see my greatness.
Yeah.
I know people are celebrating me, people are fighting me, but they are yet to see my greatness.
They are yet to
I
see
have to conquer the whole world. I'm not even focusing on Kenya. Yeah.
Okay, so we know
Kenya was just my first page of my greatness. Yeah.
There are many more pages coming. So we know Tumbili as a content creator, a father, and an MC, a comedian too. Maybe you can tell us what we don't know about Tumbili, maybe your family background, and how were you raised?
No, for what they don't know about me pia mimi sijui.
Yeah? They know everything.
No, they can't be knowing everything.
Yeah.
But again, what they don't know, let it remain like that. They don't know. Because me hata mimi sijui ni nini hawajui. Naweza sema hapa kitu hawajui na kumbe wanajua. Kitu nadhani hawajui na maybe wanajua. Yeah. So I'm a second born of four boys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A second born of 4 boys.
I was born by my mother.
Okay, so kumekuwa na issue kidogo about you kulala kwa gari. What's up with that?
So is that an issue? Like, is
it
that
can
an
be.
issue?
To you, is it an issue to you?
It's not an issue. I can't even talk about it.
Yeah?
It's not an issue. If anyone has an issue, ni kama mtu akwambie tuko na issue na wewe kuishi kwa bed sitter. Unaona? You see?
Ni wao wako na issue, you don't have an issue.
It's not an issue. Yeah. Is it an issue to you?
It's not my issue. It's your life.
Why are you saying it's an issue? It's
because many people have been commenting about it and they want to know.
Is it their life? Ni life yao. Unajua kama tungekuwa tuna share life na wewe, then niishi kwa bed sitter ndo unaweza kuja ukijamu. Hatuwezi weka maisha yangu kwa bed sitter. Me live. There are even people who live in the street. By the way, okay, wacha hata niwaambie. I fake that I live in my bed in my bima, but I don't. Nalala kwa street. Not even in my car. Yeah. My life can't be an issue to you.
Yeah.
And it's not affecting you in any way. Yeah. Kwani unasikia mbaya nikilala kwa gari?
Mimi sisikia vibaya.
Like mtu ana watch ati anasikia mbaya anaishi kwa gari. No. Mtu focus na life yake.
Many people are saying that you are faking it.
Yes, I'm
kuishi kwa
faking it.
gari.
What's the issue? What's the problem? I'm faking it. Do they have a problem with
Let's
that?
continue with the faking and everything.
Do they have a problem me faking?
No.
I'm just being me.
Yeah.
I'm just being me kwa sababu nikitoka niache kuwa mimi then they will cry more.
And they want to know more.
Ndio nakwambia, me I'll give them what they know and pia I can go silent. Naweza go silent. Wabaki kwa giza. You know, nikabaki sisemi kitu, watu wanaweza baki kwa giza like waanze kunipiga simu watu wanibembeleze niseme kitu. Yeah, because my life I live free in their minds. No, my life entertains them. My life inspires them. You see, so I live how I want, how I can, not how I want, how I can.
And what do you have to say about the true watchdog? What he was talking about, your gari and all, the fake number plates and all.
Ni ukweli, but it's not fake.
Yeah.
Ushaiona gari yangu ilikuwa na hizo plates alikuwa anaonyesha? Apart from picture, na ushaiona like hivi umeona in real life umeziona?
No.
You only see them on videos.
Yeah.
Na picture. Yeah, because my plates are my privacy. There's nobody who can just go out there and kushout kwenye anaishi mpaka peane location. You hide. You see? Na nikihide hata nikiweka hiyo plate, yeye inampunguzia nini kwa maisha? I'm still using them and I'll still use them more. Actually nimeshapiga order nitengenezwe ya hizo magari zangu zote.
Uko na magari ngapi?
Gari 3 na ingine Januari inakuja on my birthday. Mtaitana hii town. Yeah? I don't replace, me I add.
You add.
I add. Unaona? Magari zangu zote zitakuwa na plates hizo zenye anaita fake. Na mtaitana hii town. Hiyo ni kitu nawaambia. Call police. You will call police, even the police won't even respond. Kwa sababu the police are supposed to arrest me when they find me on the road with those plates. But if I kuja kunishika, anaambia tumeona picha ama video. No.
Yeah, hizi tumaka evidence.
To stop me hivi kwa barabara. Waniambia vijana wapi plate? Wanatumia kitu fake. Unaona? Wanatumia kitu. Unaona, they are supposed, that's the only time they are supposed to arrest me. But ati on a video, on a photo, no. Itazidi kuwa hit.
Okay.
More and more. Kwanza wacha sasa hata Lanza itoke garage. Zinapangwa hivi zote. Zote ziko na hizo plates fake hivi.
Tuonyeshe ya watafanya.
Tunaweka mafuta hapo kwa hizo gari zote. Tunaenda road trip. Gari zangu peke yake zinaenda road trip. Tunafika huko nalipia watu picnic. Unaona? Picnic.
Yeah.
Wanaume 5, wanawake 5. Tunaenda picnic. Na hizo magari hizo.
Okay, I saw that post na nikaona you commented about it. About you said that you fake it. You actually hadi unapea people what they want to hear. Unasema yes, we are faking it. Okay, and here comes a question. It's kind of serious question. We celebrities right now, we showcase what we are not. We just showcase what we want people to see and not what we are going through. Why do you think that happens?
Because what you are going through, nobody cares what you are going through. Nobody will care about what you are going through.
So
the country you are in, people want to see your downfall. Hata sayu leo upost uko na mimba. People just write congratulations but they don't mean it. You know? That's why RIP zinakuwaga mingi kuliko HBD. Happy birthday ni few kuliko. Yesterday was Butita's birthday. Today is Dillion's birthday. And Trudy. I haven't posted any of them.
Why?
Si hivyo tu, kwani lazima niwapost? Ni lazima.
Na wakikupost.
Wao wanaweza ni post because there is a way they feel like they should be posting me. But mimi hata naweza post Butita next week. Nimuwish happy belated birthday because it's my life, napanga vile nataka. Unaona, hakuna kwenye imeandikwa ati lazima ni kupost happy birthday. Kuna mahali imeandikwa?
Hakuna. Ni wewe kutaka.
Unaona?
Yeah.
But maybe today if maybe something happens to them, maybe God forbid, maybe mtu wa dedi leo. Utapata wase watampost sana kuliko vile walipost birthdays. You see?
Yeah.
So we love people's downfall than their winnings. That's why you see celebrities are going through something, but they will never tell you. Ushiona celeb amepost ati oh guys leo sina food ya kukula.
Brian Chira.
No, Chira ni celeb. Naharibu jina celeb. You get my point?
Yeah, I get you.
So,
I get you.
That's why they will post they have bought a car, they are living in a house maybe, you see. But when they go hungry, they will never post because nobody cares about your nini, your weakness.
And do you think maybe in future such things are going to change, or even it will be worse?
I don't know about the future.
Yeah.
I don't know about the future. For me, I just know the future is great to me. So they have to start, they should rehearse typing fake in capital and italics and any other font that they can.
Yeah.
Because the future is great for me or to me.
To you.
Unaona?
Yeah.
Hiyo ni plate tu wameona wakasema ni fake. Alafu wakageneralize ati naishi fake life. Aliwakonfirmia gari pia ni fake ama ni kwa sawa.
Alitukonfirmia two plates.
They don't talk about that. No, he confirmed. He said nimerun, nikaangalia nimeona kwa system gari inasema Tumbili, plate inasema Duncan Odoro Nyango, I am the one.
Oh, okay.
But mbona why aren't Kenyans running with that? Wa confirm gari Nyango.
Yeah.
They are running with the plate thing na pia ni kitu yenye akupata ati imewekwa hivi. Alienda akangoa akageuza.
And maybe can I ask you a question? The way you keep on talking, more questions come to my mind. Okay, the way you're talking, venye Kenyans were just talking about the fake plates. Why do you think that is happening? Why do you think Kenyans wanapenda sana vitu zenye mbaya zina happen and the good things, vitu mzuri hazita trend?
Ni machungu because you can imagine kuna mse light skin mahali ni mcute na amesota. How painful is that? We imagine when ni ndume, when ni mcute, you have all the features that can attract a sugar mommy or someone to just feel you na kuja kupea hata kama ni endorsement ya umeshika mafuta hivi ya kujipa. Wewe unajua mtu kama angalia mtu kama Flaticalos. Flaticalos anafanya adverts za Rexona. Unaona? Sasa mtu anashindwa. Kwa nini mtu alikuwa anaangalia watu wa adverts alikuwa anaangalia nini? Na mimi chali yangu sijui ni mcute na amefanya nini. No, that's so hizo ndio vitu machungu zinawauma. Wanashangaa ni aje mtu mbili anaishi vizuri. Tusemeni ni fake.
So ni machungu.
Machungu, number one ni machungu. Jealousy will never take you up. It will take you down. Na imagine uko down alafu upelekwe down zaidi. How bad is that?
Very bad.
Very bad, very painful. Sasa mimi, I pay 3 rents. Sasa hivi wanasema I'm living a fake life. Sasa niseme tu okay, I want to show you my house. Na nianze na nyumba ya watoi wangu. Si watu watajinyonga itao. Na sitaki watu wajinyonge. I want to see them in future.
Yeah.
I want to show them how great my future is.
And maybe
you can... Kwa
sababu
si mimi niko na watoi.
Yeah.
Hawajajiuliza watoi wangu wanaishi wapi. Unaona? Watoi wangu wanaishi wapi? Actually nitawapea house tour but si mimi nitaifanya. One of my kids will do it. They will have to watch my kid show them around their house.
One of your kids?
Yes.
And how old is your elder child?
Ni wakubwa. They are big. So ni hao tu waniambie wanataka mtoto mgani awafanyie house tour. So that mimi watasema nimefake. Waambie mtoto wana fake. Na waeke kwa channel yao. They will have to go to my kids YouTube channel and watch the whole video wakionyeshwa nyumba.
Waseme wana fake pia.
Waambie mtoto ana fake basi.
Maybe Tumbili you can tell us.
They will have to watch the video with a dictionary. Kwa sababu kizungu ya huyo mtoto si kizungu hivi hivi.
You can tell us you have gone through a lot.
Wengine wata regret hata kutumia nini kumeza pitu. Wanatamani tu manze ningekuwa na mtoi wangu anakaa kama hivi watu wengine. Very bright.
Okay, we are waiting for the house tour. Yeah. As a content creator, you have gone through a lot. People go through a lot of things. Wanajificha, but you are bold enough to say what you're going through. What keeps you going?
No, me, you know where I came from motivates me to keep going. I don't want to be where I was. You see, hakuna kind of life yenye sijapitia. So today I see myself driving a BMW KBS 320W. Yeah.
Sawa basi.
With fake plates, tapok tutu. Najigonga kifua hivi nasema yenyewe kuna God. Do you know there's a time I was fasting and praying for my YouTube channel to grow? My YouTube channel success is a result of prayers. I used to fast and pray for my YouTube channel. And whenever I remember those days, it makes me work harder. There's a time I went to wait for Jalango at Milele FM, 3 a.m.
In the morning?
Yes, 3 a.m. in the morning. Nimetoka show sijalipwa. I'm supposed to go to Kitengela. Sina hata shilingi. I went there nikangojea Jalango. From 3 a.m. aliingia 6. Na nilikuwa na t-shirt peke yake. So such things motivate me to, don't fake it. May don't fake. And if people want me to fake, I can fake. Imagine mimi, sina ganji za kufake life. Because fake life is so expensive. Yeah. Sina ganji za kufake life. Nona? Sina ganji. Ati niseme sasa, ati mimi naishi sijui nyumba gani. No. Fake life is so expensive, I can't afford it. The life I'm living is mine. That's why I'm affording it. I'm living within my means. Yeah. Na hiyo tu ndo mnaona ni fake. Sasa nikifake. Yeah. I have to work hard. By the way, I'm working hard so that I'm gonna fake my life. Ndo wase waone yenyewe this is now fake life. And I'll make sure before anyone who attacked me dies. Yeah. Yani sitaki mtu yote aende. If kama una watch and you are hating on me, please pona. I want you to see that great future. Pona haraka usi wewe. I don't want to lose any of them. Kama umeongea mbaya, I don't want to lose any of you. Make sure you keep yourself healthy. Do some exercise. Protect yourself. Chunga usinyongwe. Make sure you stay alive until you see my great future. Can you stop that fake life thing? I know it's hurting you so much. No, it's not hurting me. That's why I'm talking about it. But why are you talking about it so much? Because that's what people want to see. Then don't give them what they want. No, I must give them what they want. They want fake life. You're going to give them fake life. Yeah. Tumbili akipigwa na bibi yake, it's entertainment to you because you have no power, you have no control over what is happening. Yeah. The only person who can control what is happening is either me or the person who beat me. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Okay, maybe you can send a message to your fans. Watu wenye wanakuaminia from day one, they have been there for you, wamekuwa wakikusupport and everything. You tell them something and ndo tumalizie our interview. Mimi nawapenda sana. They know me very well. Nawapenda sana. The support you've always given me any day anytime. Mimi na Walomboto tunarudishaga mkono. They know how we do it. Yeah. So guys, continue supporting us and make sure you subscribe to Midea. TIV. Yeah. So man, until next time guys, me na Lomboto sana manze. A lot of stuff, bigger things coming. My birthday is on 10th January. Hey, next year na ushaanza kunini? Because bigger stuff happening. Mtu asijaribu kujinyonga hapo. Lazima angoje 10th. Wale wa kujinyonga ni after 10th. Okay, 11th kwenda mbele. For now, keep yourself healthy. Mkunywe maji. Don't walk at night. Don't walk early in the morning. Be safe. Vuka barabara, angalia left, right. Angalia juu kwa sababu siku hizi vitu zingine zinaanguka tu kutoka juu. Make sure you protect yourself. Be safe. After 11th, you can do whatever you want to your life. Okay guys. Mtu anagonjeka. Hakuna kugonjeka. Okay. Ni mtu anafuatilia maisha yangu. Sawa. Okay guys, so that was Tumbili, a content creator, a father, an MC, a comedian. He has told us more about him, but bado hatujatosheka. So amesema tusigonjeke. January 10th, we are waiting for his birthday and he has something big coming up. The venue has been Samaki Kuu, Hazina Center, first floor. You come here, ukule samaki yako, ukule chicken wing yako, ugali tamu sana. Samaki Kuu got you covered. They also do deliveries around the CBD. That was Tumbili guys from Midea Digital Media. I'm your host, Verogitia. Have a lovely day. Bye-bye.